So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Hub. So guys, this video is going to be very special, and special I mean to say it's going to be different because I have brought you about some of the best books which you can read to get a thorough and a good understanding of data science. So the books which I am going to show you is one of the best book which you can read in 2021. These are some of the best books which you can read to grasp the more knowledge or enough knowledge to about the data science, machine learning, deep learning. Okay, so let's get start with the videos. And before starting the videos, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it and please share and like my videos. So let's start. And again guys, let me tell you each one of the book which I am going to show you, I will provide the link of each book in the description. If you want to buy any of the book, you can buy it from there. And also if you want to learn the machine learning or the other stuffs about the data science, then you can subscribe my channel and you can go to my playlist and watch it from there. So let's get start. So the first book which I will suggest you is Apple Advanced Guide to Python Programming Language. So guys, as we know that Python is one of the most important and most famous language to learn data science because it has a huge library and great support. Okay, so it is very easy to learn data science, machine learning or deep learning using the Python. So if you want to learn Python programming language, then I will suggest you this book because it is very good, and the way it has explained the concept is awesome, and it is easy to understand. The language is very easy and very understandable, so you can understand it very easy. So this was the Python programming language book, and again I will provide you the link of this book in the description video. You can buy it from there. So, and let's move to the next book. So the next book which I am going to show you is the Practical Statistics for Data Scientists. Okay, so as we know that mathematics, statistics and probability is the most important part if you want to become a data scientist, machine learning engineer or deep learning engineer. So this book explains you the data science in a mathematical way, in the mathematical conceptual way. Okay, so statistics and mathematics is very important to become a data scientist. So if you don't have any knowledge of statistics, mathematics, then you can never become a good data scientist. So you have to face mathematics, you have to learn statistics if you want to become a good data scientist. So this book will take you to the whole concept of mathematics. So if you want to read, I will suggest you to please read this book because statistical knowledge is very important for the data science. So I will provide you the link of this book in the description. So let's now move to the next book, next category. So this is the Handson Machine Learning, Scikit-learn, Keras and TensorFlow. So the next book is Introduction to Deep Learning. So if you want to learn deep learning, then this book is one of the best books to become a master's in a deep learning because it has also explained the concept in a very easy, in a very conceptual way, and it covers all the aspects of deep learning techniques. So you can see that this book, you can see that it has explained the concept in a very conceptual and in a very easiest way. You can learn it from here, you can read this book, and trust me, you will not regret this because again guys, if you are reading any book, then you should read it more than one time, because unless and until you will not read any book more than one, then it is not going to be beneficial for you. Because to learn the concept, you have to go through this again and again if you want to master your skill in data science and machine learning. So this is the book for the deep learning. You can read it. It's a very good book by the Springer, and trust me, you will not regret it. It's by the Sandro Scansi. You can pronounce it the name. Okay, now let's move to the next book. So the next book is Introduction to Machine Learning with Python. As we know that Python is one of the very important language if you want to learn machine learning. Again, there are other languages through which you can learn the machine learning, such as R and Julia. Julia language is currently becoming very famous. I think in future it is going to give a tough competition to Python. But for now, Python is the best language to learn any machine learning, deep learning, or data science. Okay, because it has a huge library and it's easy to learn and easy to implement. That's why Python is considered one of the best programming language to learn data science nowadays in the current situation. So if you want to learn machine learning, then I will suggest you to this book. This book has explained the concept in a very easy way. The language is very easy to understand, and the book concept all the concept in a very deep and thoroughly. So please go through this book. I will provide you the link of this book in the description. Now let's move to the next book. So the next book is Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn and TensorFlow. And again guys, this book is one of the best book if you want to learn machine learning, and that also with Python. I have read this book and this book is amazing guys, amazing. It will give you the whole conceptual of theoretical knowledge. The theoretical knowledge is amazing, and with that it will also provide you the practical implementation of each and every code and algorithm. So this book is one of the best book if you want to learn machine learning, because it has explained the concepts or the things in a very easily and very understandable way, because it will also provide you the practical implementation. As we know that if you are learning the machine learning, then practical implementation is very important. Unless and until you are not practicing anything with a practical real world example, then there is no meaning of learning that things. Practical implementation is also required with the theoretical concept. So you can see that it has provided you the practical implementation of the codes and the great theoretical knowledge. So if you want to learn machine learning, then I will suggest you this book. This is one of the best book by O'Reilly, and I will definitely provide the link of this book in the description, and I will suggest you please read this book because this is very amazing. Okay, so for the people who are R lover, because who wanted to learn data science using the R programming language, then there is one book which is very good, one of the best book with a great conceptual knowledge and with the great R implementation code, that is An Introduction to Statistical Learning with Application in R. So guys, for the R lover, this book is amazing because it explains the concept in a very easy way and very deeply. If you read this book, then you will understand every concept very easily. It explained you with proper figure and proper R code. So for R lover, this book is very amazing. Let me show you this book. So this is the book, An Introduction to Statistical Learning Language. So for R lover, I'll definitely suggest them to read this book, because it has also explained the theory concept with the practical implementation in R. You can see that it has explained you the concept very easy with a proper figure and diagram, and with a good coding practices, coding example, practical implementation using the R programming language. So for R lover, this book is the best and one of the best book to read. I have read this book. Actually, I am not a R lover. I don't know much about the R language, but for the theory purpose, I have used this book. So it has explained the theory in a very excellent way, and also the R code is not very difficult to understand. If you will give a proper time and concentration, then you will definitely understand this. And the theoretical concept is amazing guys, amazing. So this was all the books which I wanted to show you, because I wanted to show you from very past few days, because I have read this book and these books are amazing. So if you want to buy any of this book, then I will provide you the link of all the books in the description section. You can buy that from there if you want. So this was all about today's video, guys. I have shown you the most important and lovable book of 2021 which you can read. So if you want to buy this, you can go with these books. So this was all about today's video. I will see you in the next video. And before leaving the videos, guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it, because I'm going to bring more stuffs and more interesting and amazing things about the data science like this. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it. I'll see you in the next video.